new items. Dye ink pads, great for stamping and perfect for ink blending. 6 brand new colors. New dye inks, 6 brand new colors to play with. These blend beautifully and you can work with them with water. So they are water reactive, that gives you a ton of ways to use them on a journal for your backgrounds. And keep in mind that I am going to share a live on Stamperia TV and on my channel at the same time on the 6th of July, where I will be playing with all those inks and show you a variety of ways that can be used for backgrounds. So this is the first video for today, and I'm going to post a second one where I will be playing on this page to create an art journal using many of the products that I have shown you here. So make sure to check it out. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the project video.